Every school term, learners take part in practical coding sessions where they learn by doing. They are introduced to skills such as web development, programming, problem solving, digital creativity, application development, and project building. The clinics are designed to move learners beyond simply using computers. They learn how to create solutions with the technology, work in teams, test their ideas, correct mistakes.
This is excellent work. Every term we learn. Every clinic we build. Every competition we demonstrate. Uganda's young people are becoming future innovators.
Learners gradually improve their confidence and technical abilities when it comes to the competitions. So during the ICT Clubs competitions, which are always funded by UCC and the National Conference on Communications, learners demonstrate the skills gained from these coding clinics through innovative projects that respond to real challenges in their schools and communities. We have seen successful projects, big ones, which are seriously innovated and created by people from ICT Clubs, all the way from Kabale, Kisoro, Kanungu, Zombo, Bududa, Kitugum, Lamo. Every part of Uganda, people are coming up with serious innovations. So what begins as a simple coding lesson can grow into a website, an application, an automated system, or an innovative digital solution. Every term we support, every term we learn, every clinic we build, every competition we demonstrate what is possible. So through the UCC-funded ICT Clubs and the KAWA coding clinics, Uganda's younger people are not only learning technology, they are becoming creators, problem solvers, and future innovators.
Share with you. So we invite Tabisa and then giving up. Welcome to today's coding clinic. Let us build something great.
I have fixed the bug.
You type. But what are you typing really?
What begins as a simple coding lesson can grow into a website, an application, an automated system.
This is our automated system. It is a complete digital solution.
Every term we learn. Every clinic we build. Every competition we demonstrate what is possible.
Through UCC-funded ICT KAWA coding clinics, Uganda's young people are not only learning technology, we are becoming creators,
problem solvers, and future innovators. Through the UCC, KAWA conducts coding clinics. We are learning digital creativity. Now we can build our own applications.